verse of the Holy Quran, Inna lakum fil an'ami la'ibra, and up to the end of the verse. What is the ibra we learn from this?
Read the whole verse. The ibra will become clear.
Inna lakum fil an'ami la'ibra.
نسقيكم مما في بطونه من بين الفرث والدم لبنا خالصا
صائغا
للشاربين. Right? Now this is the ibra that the Holy Quran relates to us the system relates this verse to the digestive system of the animals. We also have a digestive system. We consider ourselves superior to animals. But our digestive system is not designed to take care of another species altogether. If animals have milk, ordinary animals have milk, they have milk for their own species alone. But Anam have a different system altogether. From the food, there are two channels. One goes waste, which carries the rejected element of food. Those poisonous or toxic material which are not needed by the system. And the other is the healthy channel of blood, where the food contents are transferred to the blood channel. In between the two, there is the system of milk making. And in that system of milk, which is produced within, it is the Anam who create more milk than is needed for their young ones. Far more, in fact. So their kids can survive on 1/3, 1/4, or even much less of that, on that milk, and the rest of the milk is produced for maintaining humans. So if animals can be of service to you, why should you not become service-minded to others, or your own kith and kin? This is the ibra. Why it is called Inna lakum fil an'ami la'ibra. Right? Got it?
So is another question related to the same verse. Is the following verse also part of that ibra? وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ?
Read that, the following part, yes?
This is وَمِن ثَمَرَاتِ النَّخِيلِ وَالْأَعْنَابِ تَتَّخِذُونَ مِنْهُ سَكَرًا وَرِزْقًا حَسَنًا إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ
No, just this much.
Yes. وَمِن ثَمَرَاتِ النَّخِيلِ وَالْأَعْنَابِ تَتَّخِذُونَ مِنْهُ.
What is وَمِن? Al-ibra? Read both verses together.
وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ لَعِبْرَةً نُسْقِيكُم مِّمَّا فِي بُطُونِهِ مِن بَيْنِ فَرْثٍ وَدَمٍ لَبَنًا خَالِصًا سَائِغًا لِلشَّارِبِينَ وَمِن ثَمَرَاتِ النَّخِيلِ وَالْأَعْنَابِ.
Al-ibra to min. The second part is also covered by the subject of ibra. Please.
وَمِن ثَمَرَاتِ النَّخِيلِ وَالْأَعْنَابِ تَتَّخِذُونَ مِنْهُ سَكَرًا وَرِزْقًا حَسَنًا إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ.
Now the ibra there is that Allah created good things for mankind, but they put those things to bad usage. And instead of benefiting from the goodness which was created, mostly they converted it to the wrong usage, and a small bit was left for the purpose for which the things were created. So it is exactly the opposite behavior of the animals. They eat grass and apparently just small things which humans do not eat directly, and create milk and extra milk for mankind. God has created क्या लफ्ज़ है?
समरात नखील वल
Yes. Many fruits like dates, like palm dates, and like grapes, Allah has created these especially as a refined food products for humans to consume. But instead of doing that for the purpose for which they were created, they channel it to a wrong usage and create wine out of that. And also, some of it is used for the right purpose. What does the wine do to mankind? It is Ummul Khabais. Most of the evils found in the society, in any society, are a direct consequence of drinking habits. So, in the modern society, this is the analysis of all those who specialize in these things. They say most of the crime is done under the influence of alcohol. The accidents, the road accidents, for instance, a large majority of those accidents is because of the alcoholics. So, what Allah has created for the animals, they make best out of it. The anam, I mean. What Allah has created for mankind, the very best, they make worst out of it. Is that not a subjective ibrah? Right? Now with that I take leave, because I know by the time you finish, the time will be finished.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.